Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a really easy, delicious chayote recipe. I got four chayotes right here, and I'm gonna stir fry it with eggs. So very simple and delicious recipe. Chayote stir fry with eggs. So the ingredients are 4 chayotes, 4 eggs, ground up pepper, salt, cooking oil, soy sauce, and this is optional if you don't want to. This I always use a teaspoon of this to flavor the food. This is called granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. So basically it's just like a chicken bouillon right there. You can buy from Asian store. So okay, the first thing we need to do is just peel the chayote. Use a vegetable peeler. Just peel off the outer layer, the skin, as that's not edible. And you can feel it's like really sticky right here. There's a lot of sticky stuff coming out. So, but believe me, when you stir fry this, this vegetable is very sweet and crunchy. Take a knife and see the part that you cannot use a vegetable peeler, just use a knife and just cut this out. You don't want the skin, so the skin is not very good. And what I would do is just I just slice it like that. There's going to be a little seed. There's going to be a seed inside. Just slice it like that. And it's a young seed inside right here. You don't want to eat the seed anyway. So just take your knife and take the seed out, basically. Remove the seed. All right. So you can just stack it back like this to the original form, and right there, and then just line it up like that, and then just yeah, slice it into just like that. Just cut it like that. Just be careful. Like that. Okay, and then do the same thing with the other 3. Okay, after I slice up the chayote, I like to rinse it with cold water a little bit because of the sticky. Really, when you cut it, there's a lot of like you feel like sticky stuff coming out right here. Just rinse it with cold water. Make sure you drain the water really good. We don't want that. Let's start cooking. All right. Put about a teaspoon of oil. The chayote in. Put about a teaspoon of ground up pepper. About a teaspoon of soy sauce. About a teaspoon of that chicken bouillon for flavor. About half a teaspoon of salt, not too much salt. Stir it. Also, I forgot about this, put some oyster sauce in there. About a teaspoon of that, not too much. Make sure you don't overcook the chayote, because I still want, when I bite it, I still want to have that crunchiness. If you overcook it too soft, and I like it a little bit crunchy. All right, remove the chayote from the pan. Now time to cook the egg. Just a little bit of okay, just put a little bit of about half a teaspoon of cooking oil. Scramble the egg. Oh, now reduce the heat to about medium. You don't want to burn the egg, and just put a tiny bit of salt. Just flavor with the salt a little bit, not too much, like a pinch of salt. A little bit of ground up pepper. Now put the chayote back in. That's it, it's done. Let's plate it up. So this is the final product, chayote stir fry with eggs. It's a very delicious recipe, simple and easy and delicious. Let's give this a try. Very crunchy. Very sweet. One thing about that chayote, it's very sweet if you you cook it, but the trick is don't overcook it. Make sure if you overcook it, it's so mushy, it's not crunchy anymore. You want a little bit of crunchy. See, when you bite to it, you hear that crunch. That's perfect. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you.